The Suit of Pentacles governs the tangible dimension of life. It speaks of money, work, health, land, craft, skill, routine, responsibility, and the slow accumulation of results over time. Where cups explore feeling and swords examine thought, pentacles deal with what can be built, maintained, damaged, or improved through consistent effort. This suit is not about sudden miracles. It is about gravity, patience, and consequence. Pentacles ask what is sustainable, what is practical, and what has real value once fantasy and emotion are stripped away. The Ace of Pentacles represents raw material potential. It is the seed of prosperity, the chance to begin something solid and measurable. This card does not promise wealth by itself, it offers opportunity that must be cultivated. It may appear as a new job, a financial opening, a health improvement, or a concrete path towards stability. The Ace of Pentacles reminds that the physical world responds to attention, discipline, and care. The Two of Pentacles introduces balance under pressure. Here, resources are limited and must be managed carefully. This card reflects juggling obligations, finances, time, or energy. It speaks to adaptability rather than abundance. The Two of Pentacles does not judge scarcity, it examines how one responds to it. It warns against chaos while acknowledging that fluctuation is a natural part of material life. The Three of Pentacles focuses on skill and collaboration. It represents learning through practice, constructive feedback, and shared effort toward a tangible goal. This card emphasizes craftsmanship and respect for expertise. It often appears when work is being evaluated, improved, or structured. The Three of Pentacles teaches that mastery develops in dialogue with others and through attention to detail. The Four of Pentacles reveals attachment to security. It speaks of holding tightly to money, possessions, status, or control out of fear of loss. While it can indicate prudent saving and boundaries, it often warns against stagnation and emotional rigidity disguised as practicality. The Four of Pentacles asks whether stability has become confinement and whether fear is blocking healthy flow. The Five of Pentacles confronts material hardship. It represents financial stress, exclusion, illness, or the experience of being unsupported in practical matters. This card does not romanticize suffering. It highlights vulnerability and the psychological toll of scarcity. Yet it also suggests that help may exist but is unseen or unaccepted. The Five of Pentacles asks for humility, resourcefulness, and awareness of available support. The Six of Pentacles restores equilibrium. It speaks of giving and receiving, generosity, assistance, and fairness. This card reflects the ethical use of resources and the importance of balance between dependence and autonomy. It can indicate charity, support, or shared benefit, but also raises questions about power dynamics and conditional generosity. The Seven of Pentacles centers on evaluation and patience. It represents the pause between effort and reward, where progress is assessed and direction reconsidered. This card is not inactivity but reflection. It asks whether current investments of time and energy are aligned with long-term goals. The Seven of Pentacles teaches endurance and realistic expectation. The Eight of Pentacles highlights discipline and repetition. It is the card of focused labor, apprenticeship, and improvement through sustained effort. Here, value is created not through inspiration but through consistency. The Eight of Pentacles speaks to pride in work done well and warns against distraction or shortcuts. Mastery, in this card, is earned one action at a time. The Nine of Pentacles represents self-sufficiency and cultivated success. It reflects financial independence, personal refinement, and comfort earned through effort and discernment. This card often speaks of enjoying the fruits of one's labor without dependence on others. It can also highlight solitude and the cost of independence. The Nine of Pentacles asks whether prosperity is being truly lived or merely displayed. The Ten of Pentacles completes the material cycle. It represents long-term security, legacy, family wealth, and intergenerational stability. This card is about systems that endure beyond the individual: property, inheritance, tradition, and established structures. It reflects material success that supports community and continuity rather than personal gain alone. The Page of Pentacles introduces curiosity about the material world. This card reflects learning, planning, and the first steps toward practical competence. It may indicate study, training, or a new interest in work, finance, or health. The Page of Pentacles is grounded and patient, understanding that progress begins with attention and humility. The Knight of Pentacles embodies perseverance. He moves slowly but reliably, prioritizing responsibility over excitement. This card represents commitment, routine, and trustworthiness. While it can indicate stubbornness or resistance to change, its deeper meaning is integrity through consistency. The Knight of Pentacles does not abandon tasks once begun. The Queen of Pentacles balances material mastery with care. She represents abundance expressed through nourishment, protection, and practicality. This card speaks of managing resources wisely while maintaining warmth and generosity. It reflects emotional intelligence applied to the physical world, especially in matters of home, health, and work-life balance. The King of Pentacles represents material authority and stewardship. He has built something durable and understands how to maintain it. This card reflects financial leadership, stability, and responsibility for others' well-being. The King of Pentacles does not chase risk recklessly. He understands systems, timing, and long-term consequence. Taken together, the Suit of Pentacles describes the full life cycle of material existence. It examines how value is created, protected, lost, shared, and passed on. When pentacles dominate a reading, the central issue is not belief or emotion but structure, effort, and reality. This suit asks what you are building, how you are maintaining it, and whether it can truly support the life you intend to live.